Do you want to reach more customers, increase your sales, and gain a competitive advantage? Elementor Hosting is the perfect solution to create your WordPress online shop. Hey there, I'm Aviva from Elementor. In this video, we'll build a WordPress e-commerce website in about 20 minutes. But first, why WordPress? WordPress is the most popular and versatile website building platform, powering 43% of websites worldwide. WordPress offers many ways to extend and customize your website, like the well-known e-commerce plugin, WooCommerce. Another reason we love WordPress is its active and supportive global community. Plus, it's open source, which means you have full ownership and control over your content now and in the future. So, why WooCommerce? WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that converts your website into an online store and works together with WordPress. This gives you a powerful combination for creating an e-commerce website and managing day-to-day online sales operations. WooCommerce offers a wide range of features like online payment, shipping options, and other store management solutions. WooCommerce also offers customization options, so it's scalable and grows as your business grows. Sell anything and everything. I'm talking fashion apparel to home furnishings to digital downloads. Great, but what does Elementor have to do with all this? Elementor Pro is a WordPress plugin that gives you even more control over your website design. Elementor is a drag-and-drop builder that gives you the power to visually design every part of your website. And it works seamlessly with WooCommerce, so you can customize the shopping experience for your visitors the way you want it. This is perfect for us since we'll be using Elementor Hosting to create our online shop. Elementor Hosting comes with the Elementor Pro Page Builder plugin pre-installed. It's the fastest and safest way to get started building your WordPress e-commerce website. So, what's hosting? If you're not familiar with hosting, you can think of it as similar to renting space in a building. But with hosting, you get storage space on the internet for your website's media and files. With some hosting companies, you need to install WordPress, WooCommerce, and add security and other services. Some hosting companies can do it for you, but there may be a hidden fee. Since we'll be using Elementor Hosting, we'll have everything we need for our website. There is no need to purchase a theme or install anything. Before we move on to creating our shop, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel, where you can learn more about creating websites, growing your business, and so much more. Okay, let's create our shop. Today we'll build an e-commerce store for a wellness coach named Aura Green. Aura sells various wellness merchandise and supplements, along with her coaching and diet ebooks. Before we begin, I suggest having your product descriptions and images handy, so you can add them to your shop as we go. First, we'll go to the Elementor.com WordPress hosting pricing page. We have several plans to choose from. I recommend the business plan for a WooCommerce website because WooCommerce stores have more media and client data to store compared to a regular website. We'll click Buy Now and continue our purchase. Be sure to look out for your welcome email to get exclusive access to our Elementor Beginnings Facebook group. After completing our purchase, we'll start creating our website. The first thing to do is to choose a name. Don't worry about your domain because soon I'll show you how to connect your own domain name. Click Next. The Elementor Kit library offers us a selection of full website kits for us to choose from. A website kit is a collection of matching templates you can use to quickly create a full website and then customize with your content for your own unique website. This kit is designed and built specially for WooCommerce stores. It has all the website pages we need to get started, along with a single product template, a product archive template, and checkout and cart pages to provide a complete and seamless shopping experience. We'll click Start with this kit. While Elementor Hosting sets up our WordPress and e-commerce shop environment, let's talk about what's included on our website. The latest full versions of Elementor and Elementor Pro, WooCommerce plugins, essential pages, and even demo placeholder items. This will give us the look, feel, and experience of the shop design, so we can get on building our website quickly. Click Let's Go. This lands us inside the Elementor editor on the home page of our website. Let's start by personalizing our website. We'll click here to enter the header. First, we have a site logo widget. Widgets are the individual elements we use to design and build our website. If you have a logo, you can click here and upload your site logo. Since this is Aura's personal brand, she uses her name instead of a logo. So I'll use her site name instead. So let's right-click on the site logo widget and delete it. Now we'll drag in the site title widget. We can see it comes with a preset with the site title and site URL. Perfect. Let's change the styling to fit the complete look and feel. First, we'll change the text color. We'll select one of the color presets for this particular kit in the global colors by clicking this globe icon. White element is the right choice in our case. We can also set colors manually by clicking on the color picker. Next, we'll change the typography. As with global colors, we already have typography settings for this kit in the global fonts. I'll select the secondary title. Perfect. We can also change the typography settings manually by clicking this pencil icon. Choose the font family, set the size, weight, and any other settings we like. And click Publish to save our changes. Our first step in personalizing our site is done. Let's go back to the home page by clicking inside our page. Let's first change the Hero section. This box is called a container. We can think of containers as structural boxes that hold and organize our website content. We'll click on the container handle, then click the Style tab. We can see that Slideshow is selected as background type. We'll delete the slideshow gallery, select Classic Background, and upload our own image. We can change the image settings till we're happy with how it displays. Next, we'll select the heading widget and update the title with our website heading text. Now let's style it by changing the text color. Great. Let's move on to the Shop Now button. I'll leave the text as is, but feel free to change it for your shop. Note that the link is already set to take us to the shop page. Perfect. So now we can style it by changing the text color and border color. Looking good. For our second container, we'll click this Call to Action widget. We'll swap out the kit image for one of our own images. The kit uses an icon widget for the website name, but we'll use another method. Instead, we'll delete the icon widget. Then we'll drag in a heading widget and set the title to Dynamic Site Title, which pulls in the name of our website. Next, we'll style it. Let's select the widget below, change the title, and the text. Great. Let's move on to our next container. Once again, we'll change the image. Then, update the titles in the first and second headings. Then let's move on to the button and change it to invite our visitors to sign up. We'll change the text, and now we'll relink the button by clicking on the internal link and choosing the membership page. We don't need the fourth container, so let's delete it. Now we'll duplicate the container we just edited to work faster. We'll change Items Direction to Reverse Row. Cool. We'll change the image and the titles. For the button, we'll change the title to Shop Now, and this time change the dynamic URL to Shop. Below, we'll change the heading text. Now let's select the Products widget and see what we have here. If we expand Query, we can see that the source of the products displayed here is Featured, so this widget displays our featured products. We'll leave it as is, and after we add our products and settings, we'll see our own featured products displayed here. Let's delete the next container as we don't need to show anything else on this page. Click Publish to save our changes. Okay, time to add our products. Back in the WordPress dashboard, we'll click Products, All Products. Click Add New. Now we'll add in our product information. We'll add a name, description, and a product image. Next, we'll add a product category. We'll add the price and the sale price. We can also set a sale schedule. We'll click the Inventory tab and add in our product SKU. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit and is a unique ID we assign to each product for inventory management purposes. An SKU number contains information about a product, such as its style, color, and size, making it easier to find and track its movement. SKUs make it easier to find your products not only on your website, but across the internet. If you also want to sell your products on multi-vendor marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, you'll need an SKU for each product to sell them there. Now we'll go ahead and add in the rest of our products. For products with different sizes, we'll need to set the product type to variable product. Then use size as an attribute and add the available sizes. Once we've added the sizes, we can generate our product variations automatically. Then we can bulk assign certain values, such as price. And finally, we'll assign SKUs to each product variable. Great! Another benefit of using WooCommerce is that we can sell digital products online. No extra plugins necessary. Let's add a digital download to our shop. We'll start with Aura's latest ebook about wellness. As before, start by adding a product name and description. We'll also want to add a product image, in this case, the book cover. Next, we'll scroll down to the product data area and check the virtual and downloadable options, and add a price. To add a downloadable file, we'll click Add File and choose our file. We also have options to set a download limit and the number of days before the download link expires. Finally, we'll add a new category, Books and Subscriptions. If you're interested in offering your clients membership subscriptions, there are both free and paid plugins available, such as MemberPress, WooCommerce Memberships, and Paid Memberships Pro. These plugins allow you to create and manage memberships for your online store and give you the ability to offer exclusive content to your subscribers. We can start any item that we'd like to display in our featured products. Now that we've added all our products, let's go back to our homepage and take a look at our product display. We can see our featured products displayed prominently on our homepage. Soon, we'll set up our main shop page and be able to see all our published products displayed there. For now, let's take a look at one of our product pages and the cart preview. I'll select Aura's Beauty Rest Mask. While we're here, let's take a look at our single product template. We can delete parts of it or change the content to fit our needs. Now let's click Add to Cart on the Sustained Vitamin Supplements, and we can see that the vitamins are now added to the cart. And if we click on the cart, we can preview it without even leaving the page. If we click to edit the header, we can select the Menu Cart widget and choose from a large variety of styling options. Now let's take a look at the cart page. Here too, we have loads of options to fully customize our shopping cart for our own website and brand. Let's move on to the checkout page and check out, no pun intended, the content and styling options for it. And finally, we have the My Account page, which, as you guessed, is also chock full of styling options that we can tailor to our site. Now that we've got an idea of how we can customize our WooCommerce website shopping experience in Elementor, let's take a look at some of the WooCommerce store management settings. Let's go back to the WooCommerce settings and enter our store address, selecting the selling locations and currency. We'll click Products and set the shop page. Let's preview our website, and now we can see that the shop link on the header displays the products archive. Great! Now, when it comes to shipping, careful planning is essential for an online store. Having an efficient shipping strategy is critical, as customers can quickly become dissatisfied with an unreliable system. WooCommerce allows you to specify shipping details for each product for a cost-effective solution for global shipping with maximum efficiency and productivity. And that's it, we're done configuring the WooCommerce settings. Before launching our online store, let's talk about an important website process that happens behind the scenes: caching. Every time someone visits our online store, various website elements must be sent from the web server to the visitor's browser. This takes time, especially if lots of people are visiting at once. Caching creates a pre-assembled version of our store, ready to show instantly. Many web creators use both free and paid plugins to cache their websites. But luckily, Elementor Hosting has an advanced caching system built right in for us. We can set it up in a few clicks to make sure that our site loads as quickly as possible. To ensure visitors see the most recent version of your site, you'll need to clear the cache when you make changes to your website. To do that, click on the Clear Post Cache on the top toolbar. Once it's done, we're directed to the dashboard main page with a success notification. Elementor Hosting allows us to control caching right within the WordPress dashboard with its advanced caching feature in hosting settings. I recommend disabling caching while you're creating your website or doing large updates. This allows you to preview your changes properly. Once you've completed or finished updating your site, you can come back here to enable it again. You can also change the frequency at which the cache will be deleted automatically. The default is 7 days, but for a store with high traffic running a campaign, and if the products sold are bound to stock levels, we recommend a more frequent cache timeout, like 30 minutes. That way, your finished products won't be sold again. It's important to exclude the cart, My Account, and checkout pages from the cache to keep these pages dynamic, since they show data unique to the current customer and their cart. Consider any other data-heavy pages, such as those that contain a lot of images, that should be cached, but also refreshed each time they are updated, such as your product archive pages. Great, we're ready to take our shop live. We'll start by connecting our domain to our website. In the left panel, hover over Hosting and click Connect Domain. If you already have a domain, enter it here. Click Let's Begin. The next screen takes us to a step-by-step guide. We'll need to have our DNS and A-name records from our domain registrar open and ready in another tab. Follow the guide to connect your domain. Note that registration may take up to 72 hours, but it's usually processed within a few minutes. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase one now. From your website hosting settings on myelementor.com, click Manage Domains. Click Buy a Domain and enter the domain name you'd like to buy. The last step in launching our website is to turn off site lock, which makes our online shop publicly accessible to visitors. From the top toolbar, we'll click Site Lock Mode is on. Change this setting. Toggle Site Lock to off. Click Unlock Site. And now our shop is live. Let's preview our store the way our visitors will experience it. We just created a stunning WooCommerce website with Elementor Hosting, which will expand our reach and help us increase our sales. Great job! We've experienced the flexibility of WordPress and versatility of WooCommerce as we set up our online presence and created a complete shopping experience. With the power of Elementor Pro, we built a beautiful and professional website using a pre-made e-commerce kit and countless styling options. And of course, Elementor Hosting gives us the convenience of an all-in-one solution, complete with hosting, security, and performance. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about web creation and how to grow your business online. What type of shop and products do you sell? Let us know in the comments below. Till next time, see you soon, and thanks for watching.